Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin ang inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, what is up, Scorpio? Let's see for this week. Sky. Sky is the limit. Parang may expansion, ah. Okay, you also have the sea urchin, which is protection. And then praying mantis, which is about your faith. Yung iyong pananalig, pananampalataya. So, itong sky energy na to, this is about your intuition and also your inspiration. So, I think, marami kang pangarap ngayon. Kung dati parang nawalan ka na ng siniset na mga goals ngayong week na to, babalik yan. Meron ka ulit mga bagong goals. And this time, mas excited ka na tuparin yon. Tuparin yung mga goals mo na yan. Maaring meron ka ngayong inspiration, source ng inspiration para ma-achieve mo yung goals na yan. Maaring a very special person sa buhay mo. Or yung pangarap mo mismo, yun yung inspiration mo. And also, mas nagiging intuitive ka. Mas nagiging malakas yung connection mo to your higher self. And alam mo na you are divinely guided. With sea urchin here, this is about protecting yourself, protecting your energies. I think hindi mo nahahayaan na parang di ba minsan may mga tao na uh, yung nakikialam sa mga plano natin or i-discourage tayo kasi lalo na kung masyadong malaki yung pangarap natin and for them, they think na malaki yung pangarap mo na yun but for you, alam mo na achievable. So, these people will try to discourage you na, ay, masyadong mahirap yan, di mo kaya yan, ganon. Para ma-discourage ka, para hindi nila makita na you are better than them. Dahil, kumbaga parang hindi ka nila binibigyan ng pagkakataon na ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mo eh. 'Di ba? So, it's time for you to protect your dreams. Okay? And repel those negative energies. Okay? And then, praying mantis is, of course, your faith sa sarili mo, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. And some of you will also pay attention sa mga quiet moments mo, no? Bibigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo na makapag-meditate. You will connect to yourself, to your higher self in a deeper level because this is about meditation. And yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng internal wisdom na parang, alam mo yung tipong walang makaka-distract sa'yo because you are focused sa iyong mga goals. So, let's see what else. Scorpio. You have the 5 of Swords. O, ayun na. Umaalis ka na sa mga madadramang sitwasyon, mga complicated situation sa buhay mo. Can be a relationship, pwedeng toxic na trabaho, toxic na career, toxic na tao. And you are now taking care of yourself, taking care of your emotions. You are giving more time para sa sarili mo na mag-heal and also becoming more creative, no? Parang kino-convert mo yung negativity into something positive through your creativity. So, halimbawa nasa-stress ka, instead na magpaka-stress ka, meron ka mga gagawing activities na kung saan nare-relax ka, na kung saan mas nalilibang ka. So, ganon. You also have the 9 of Cups. So, there's a wish fulfillment for you ngayong week na to. And I think yung mga tao na alam mong walang ambag sa buhay mo, ay iiwasan mo na. Parang you are not going to buy their BS, lalo na kung nakilala mo na tong taong to, na alam mo na puro salita lang, kulang sa gawa. So, parang iiwas ka na sa mga ganyan. Gusto mo na lang ng katahimikan ng isip at makapag-focus kung paano mo ma-achieve yung mga goals mo. You also have the Sun in Sagittarius in the 9th house. So, this is enthusiasm. So, you are alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. And 9th house is about higher learning. So, maaring meron kang pag-aaralan, i-research, tutuklasin. And maari rin tong opportunity for you to travel, to go to different places, na kung saan mas makakapag-relax ka dahil may bakasyon or mayroong katahimikan dun sa lugar na yon. You also have Moon in Leo in the 5th house. People will notice your radiance, no? Parang may makakapansin sa'yo na, iba yung vibes mo, parang very inspired, ganon. And people will admire you, will appreciate you. Maaring meron kang mga ipapakitang talento, mga skills mo, abilities mo, na ma-appreciate ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And maari ring iba sa inyo, if you are into social media or you are somehow an influencer or nasa public life ka, kumbaga yung trabaho mo nasa public. So I see people that are appreciating your work. Dragon, Gaia's gateway, access Earth's inner wisdom. Yes. With praying mantis here, I think mas lalo kang nagiging mature. Mas hindi ka na pumapatol sa mga maliliit na bagay, no? Oo. And Chameleon Soul Tribe, it is safe to be seen. So I think you are going to find your people, yung mga tao na parang tinatawag na soul family mo. So you will be able to find your soul family. So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.